In this video, let us see the three real-world applications of the multiplexer. So in general, we know that the multiplexer has 2 to the power n inputs and the n selection lines. And depending on the input that is applied to the selection line, only one of the input will get connected to the output line. So this multiplexer is very useful where we want to share the resources with the multiple inputs, and it is often used in the data acquisition system. So in this data acquisition systems, this ADC is used for converting the analog signal of the sensor into the digital form. Now typically if you see, then the high resolution high speed ADCs are very costly, and whenever we want to sense the inputs of the multiple sensors like the 4 or the 8 sensors, then we also need the same number of ADCs, and because of that the cost of the acquisition will increase. So in such case, to reduce the cost and the space, the multiplexer can be used between the different sensors. So here, depending on the selection line, only one of the input will get applied to the ADC. And in this way, by selecting the each channel, one by one we can perform the conversion. So this solution is often used in the built-in ADCs that are used in the microcontroller. So similarly, these multiplexers are also used in the internal data routing in the ALU as well as the CPU. So if you see the ALU or the arithmetic and the logical unit, then it performs the many arithmetic and the logical operations on the input simultaneously. Because here for the each operation there is a dedicated hardware. That means here all the outputs will be available simultaneously. But here using the selection lines of the multiplexer, the CPU selects only one of the output. Similarly, if you see the CPU, then it also consists of the many internal registers. Now here, physically, all the registers are not connected directly to the CPU. So whenever the CPU wants to access any specific register, then it can access the specific register using the multiplexer. Similarly, the multiplexers are also integral part of the FPGA. So as you know, using the FPGA, we can implement any digital logic. So internally if you see, then this FPGA consists of the many configurable logic blocks or the CLB as well as the input-output blocks and the IP blocks. So here, if you see the each configurable logic block, then it consists of the LUT and the flip-flops as well as the multiplexers. So this LUT is also implemented using the multiplexer. So these are the real-world applications of the multiplexer. And if you want to know more about it, then you can check this video.